Look, just sprayed 2.5 on this. It's just amazing. And that's how it's done. Look at that. That is all water, folks. All water. Pretty amazing. Yep, you said it. We just did the outside. Now look at what we're about to do, the grill. Yes. So this is using 11.5. As you see, what a difference from before. I mean, that was all brown. Look at that, the color came back. Just look at the grill, as you saw before. Now you see the particles, they're just not there on the grill anymore. Just wanted to show you a bit. This is just literally probably 10 minutes. Not that much. Look at that.